Have you ever destroyed a circuit without even knowing why? Most beginners make one deadly multimeter mistake, and they don't even realize it. Today, I'll show you what that mistake is, and how to properly use this tool like a real engineer. This is the MastFui FI106, a multimeter. And if you build electronics, this device decides whether your project lives or dies. Let's start with something simple. This small box can measure voltage, current, resistance, frequency, and even detect live wires. But here's the thing, owning a multimeter does not mean you know how to use it correctly. Let me prove it. Imagine you connect your Arduino, and it doesn't power on. Is your power supply dead? Is your cable broken? Or is your board shorted? Without a multimeter, you are just guessing. Now watch this. Let's test a 9-volt battery. Black probe in COM, red probe in voltage port. Touch the terminals. Instant reading. That number tells you the real truth. If it shows 9 volts, battery is healthy. If it shows 6 volts, your project was never going to work. Now let's move to something even more powerful. Continuity mode. This feature alone can save hours of frustration. When 2 points are connected, it beeps. No need to stare at display. Just listen. And here's a pro-level trick. If your PCB keeps resetting randomly, check for micro short circuits using continuity mode. Most beginners skip this step. Now, remember I said there's one deadly mistake. Here it is. Current measurement. Voltage is measured in parallel. Current is measured in series. If you connect current mode directly across a battery, you create a short circuit, spark, maybe smoke, maybe damage, and beginners blame the board, but the mistake was user error. That's why understanding matters more than owning tools. Now let's talk about something practical. Before connecting a new power adapter to your ESP32, always measure output voltage first. 5 seconds of testing can save a 5,000 rupee board. This multimeter also has backlight, which sounds small until you're inside a dark electrical panel. And in some models, you get non-contact voltage detection. That means you can detect live wires without touching exposed metal. Safety is not optional, it's professional behavior. So here's the truth. If you are serious about electronics, a multimeter is not an accessory. It is your primary diagnostic weapon. Learn it once, use it for life. If you want a deep beginner to advanced multimeter masterclass on this channel, comment multimeter series, and I'll build it for you, because real engineers don't guess, they measure. See you in the next one.